What's up, guys? We're back at it with another video.
You want dinner? Yeah? Okay, let's get dinner. I know, this is all you want and more.
Hey, guys. What's up? I just stopped doing that. I keep doing peace signs. Literally, you can hear Henry just destroying his food, and I'm so sorry about that. He's just a hungry guy, even though I feed him 3 times a day. What's his problem? That was so bad. Okay, anyways, so I went out and about, and I got some things. Don't you worry, I'm gonna show y'all. I also went to Sephora, and I got some face masks, some puffy under eye things, and then some acne patches or pimple patches, because I got this guy right over my lip, and then I have a pimple or two like right here. Wait, was it even focused? I don't know. But yeah, pimple right there, pimple right here. I promise I'm clean. I look dirty. I don't know why. I went to Erewhon. Guys, I think I've only been to Erewhon. This is my 2nd time I've ever been into an Erewhon, or maybe my 3rd time, give or take. I'm gonna be completely honest. The only reason I went was for 2 things, and it ended up being $50. Actually, no, like the 2 things, it makes sense, but still, Erewhon's a very expensive supermarket, but it's a really good supermarket. Like, everything's just very fresh and organic and good. Anyways, got this. I don't freaking know why I got this. It's strawberry coconut milk, and it looked good, and I saw it on the shelf, and I go, sure, why not? Okay, how do I open this? 1 second. Whoa, that's like a crazy good flavor. Very, very fresh strawberry smoothie. Guys, 10 out of 10 on this guy. Okay, then what I actually went there for. I was watching an Emma Chamberlain vlog yesterday, and she was eating literally these vegetable rolls from there, and I just like was craving it all day today, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go. They opened one up by me, so I was like, I'm just gonna go get them. And then I walked in there and I saw this, and I've been seeing it all over Instagram. Oh, I think Anne-Marie's home. I'm also filming. Say hi.
He's back.
Oh, say hi.
Hi. Ow.
Oh, he's back.
Because we've been off for so long. He was at grandma's daycare. Ah!
Oh. Am, look what I got for us to try later. Oh, she just hit her head on the stove.
I'm a wreck and I'm so gross and stinky.
So I walked into Erewhon and I forgot about it until I walked, because I went for the sushi. That was the goal, right? Oh, don't look yet.
Wait, had you never been in one? No, you've been
This is like my 2nd time.
I've never been in one.
I went for the sushi and I saw these and I was like, oh my god. I always see them being posted by this specific celebrity who created it.
Oh, the Kin? Just Kin?
It's just
Kin Euphoric.
Kin Euphorics. It is a drink made or co-founded by Bella Hadid, and I always see
It is?
Yeah, by Bella Hadid and someone else.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I always see her posting about it, and honestly, could not even tell you exactly what this drink is, because it's not alcohol, it's not like CBD. I don't even know what the f is in it. So I just got these for us to try later.
Dude, I can't wait.
They said you can't drink it under the age of 18. So I'm like, that sounds really intense. Hi, Bubba's. Hi. Oh, did you boop it with your nose? Okay, guys, this is a zoom in on my sushi. It's like black rice with some avocado, cucumber, carrots. Yum. Okay, let's do a taste test on camera. I already can only imagine what it tastes like. I'm all like really jittery, and I don't know why. It could be the 2 cups of coffee and green tea I drank, but that's just a guess. I will say Emma was using her fingers in the vlog, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use the chopsticks. These are some nice chopsticks. Okay, Erewhon, look at them. They're like a nice dark brown.
Is it Erewhon or Erewhon?
I don't know, I say Erewhon. Everyone says Erewhon.
It says established in 1968, Los Angeles. So there you have it.
I never read that.
Well, now you know.
Okay, taste test on the sushi with some soy sauce.
Tastes like sushi?
Tastes like some veg.
Ew.
Emery and I are gonna go to the movies. This is just how I'm gonna go looking like, basically. So we're not gonna do much. I'm just gonna put some Vaseline on my lips. But honestly, the last thing I want to do is put makeup on. So what I'm gonna do, because of this guy and like there's like another guy right here. So because I don't want to put makeup on, I'm going to just put on like a pimple patch type of situation. Might as well just help it, then just kind of like let it be, you know? I don't really care to look any better than this. And they're kind of like nude colors, so like fun. Apparently these work really well. The brand is called Peace Out Acne. Oh, okay. I feel like this is more annoying than actually the pimple itself. Let's see. Maybe because it's right over my lip, I don't know. Well, I look fucking ridiculous. I'm gonna leave them on because those pimples have been bothering me all day. And if I pick at them, I'm gonna hate myself. I'm gonna hate myself. So we have a pool and a hot tub and we haven't used it yet. And the reason being is because we really haven't gotten the chance to. It's also like the middle of winter and it's really cold at night here in LA, which I feel like is actually the right time to use a hot tub.
Yeah, but then it's just like hard to get out of it.
But we also have never turned it on and no one has ever taught us. Henry!
Yes.
Henry just literally peed in front of us.
What is that? No.
I cannot believe that. That's crazy.
Who did that?
No.
Who did that?
Bad boy stuff.
Should we try turning on the hot tub?
Oh yeah.
Spot on. What do you mean? It's not.
How does he turn this on? How does he turn this thing on?
I really think it's that simple though. Like once this is on, you just say spot on, and then you go temp up and shit.
No, I know.
Oh, you guys, this is already not going well.
Okay, so we won't be hot tubbing. We were just standing there for like 15 minutes trying to figure it out, and we could not. So
The box where it says spa on
is off.
is off. So we looked at all of the buttons in the like latch box, and nothing in there says like turn system on.
And what movie are we gonna watch?
The 355. It's about like women CIA agents from all over the world that kick ass and end up needing to like come together for a certain cause. It's a movie I wish I was in.
Sounds like us. Guys, so look at my hair. Look at.
want to talk about mine. What is that? What is that?
Guys, we've been waiting in line for like 45 minutes because we ended up behind people that have more questions than
You should have it at the movie theater.
we're for sure gonna be late.
No, there's like 20 minutes of previews. And it's
yeah,
not
right.
even, because so it starts at 6:30. And then we're going to get caught because there's premiere members coming into the line.
I want to go home. Okay, back to the montage. We've made it to Taco Bell, people.
Hey, can I get a bean burrito with no cheese? And then can I get the, it's like the chicken chipotle, like taco or melt. Can I get 2 of those with no cheese as well, just the chicken and sauce?
Can I do a black bean chalupa supreme, please? A chicken chipotle melt, but that one regular. So we had to come to Taco Bell after the movies because we were hungry.
We had to.
We went to Taco Bell.
We went to Taco Bell and we're back from the movie.
Also, before anyone yells at me, yes, I'm eating gluten. Sometimes when I'm craving it, I get Taco Bell.
Yeah.
With no cheese.
With no cheese on it. So first things first, the reason we're doing this is because we want to give you a movie review. It was great. What did we watch? The 355?
The 355.
It was so good.
We really liked it, and we were really into it. I've never seen Franny so into a movie. She like doesn't really watch things or get into them, and she was like into it the whole time.
I only watched Euphoria and that.
And the 355.
And the 355. Yeah, it's a CIA movie. A bunch of women get together and kick some ass.
From like different countries, because there's like something going on that they have to come together on. They're like CIA agents. And it makes me want to be in a movie like that. I just want to be in a movie like that so I can kick ass.
How cool is that?
So fun. I enjoyed it a lot. We're just inhaling this Taco Bell.
Okay, we're in my bathroom.
Oh, it's on.
Emery was just pooping.
Yep, done. Don't worry.
So I got us these face masks from Dr. Jart. Woo! And Anne-Marie loves them, and I've never tried them. Oh, I also got this we put under our eyes, underneath the mask.
Peace out, puffy eyes. My face is so dry.
And this is what this is for. Wait, let's do the peace puff eyes first.
Yeah, peace puff eyes.
It says rub pouch for 3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes?
That's like a long time.
Oh man, I'm so tired.
Okay, has it been 3 minutes?
My wrists hurt.
My thumbs are cramping.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna do like this.
I'm done with that, and I'm putting my eye patches on.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Here we go.
Wait, why does mine look like, oh, it's smushed in between these things. Okay.
So you get my eyes water.
I need a peace out puffy eyes because my eyes are only exclusively puffy. These feel great.
Oh.
Oh, I love eye patches. Oh, this feels so good.
Okay, so this is a Sarah
Ceramidin.
Ceramidin. I don't know, Dr. Jar.
I think it's ceramidin.
I don't know. All I know is
ceramide. I know what ceramide is.
yeah, it's like really good for your skin.
Yeah,
that's all I got.
It's good for moisture. Trying that for a bit.
Oh. Oh my god, this feels insane.
It feels so good.
Oh my. I look like a serial killer.
So good, I never want to take it off.
I know. Oh, I feel like it's still on my face.
Oh, it feels so good though. If I'm not a brand new person when I wake up, I don't want it. No, we didn't do this night.
Oh god, okay.
Okay.
Time to go make cocktails with Euphoria.
What? Do you keep the clips in?
They're called Kin Euphorics. I'm gonna call them the Euphoria drink.
The Euphoria cocktail.
The Euphoria cocktails!
Okay, we put ice in it.
We have to put ice.
Yeah. Okay, we're doing the calming one.
Can you imagine? This was supposed to like a pick-me-up. This was like substitution to coffee. Background on this. A functional beverage for modern rituals. Okay. It's caffeine-free, which is what we like. Recommended use. A wind-down beverage to calm the mind and mellow the mood. Best served chilled.
Water, apple juice, birch bark, lime juice, vanilla extract, lavender extract, American oak. I don't know if this is gonna be good. There's just like a bunch of like extracts and like it's kind of like a tea almost.
Yes.
That like
a calming like thing.
that like, you know how there's a lot of like teas that make you feel a type of way. Like when I drink like lemon ginger tea, I feel a type of way. I feel like so it's like it's kind of like that.
Does it smell good?
Whoa, it smells like plants.
I already know what it's gonna taste like. You already like. It tastes like someone grabbed like a weed from the ground.
Literally the coolest looking.
No, it's cool looking. That's
It
for
literally
sure.
is like a bunch of extracts. It smells like medicine.
I feel like it's like a kombucha.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? We'll smell it with the ice.
I don't like the smell of it, you guys. I don't like the smell of it.
Can't clink them too high. Oh man.
What?
Okay, I'm going. There's a different taste coming in my mouth now.
It's like in Willy Wonka. There's like 8 tastes. To
Yeah, it's like one taste.
Okay, I can taste the vanilla extract. I can taste lavender in it.
It has a gnarly aftertaste. The initial swig, it's like when it settles in your mouth for a couple seconds.
It's like very rooty.
Yeah.
But the first like sip of it is like vanilla.
It's like refreshing.
I don't know if I can do it.
I can't tell if I like it or not. I want to know if this is actually going to make me sleepy. and
Do
wind
they all
down.
taste like this?
No, this one's different.
Oh.
This has caffeine in it.
This one sounds good. This one is carbonated water, white grape juice, agave, root, gelatin root extract, orange peel, licorice root, hibiscus, citrus, bitter orange. This one's probably gonna taste really good.
So what I'm gonna do is when we have wine nights, I'm gonna actually pour myself one of these and pretend that it's alcohol. So I finish them.
I don't know if I can do it.
I can't tell.
I can't tell. Like I'm sometimes like, and then there's like a point where I'm like,
All right, I'm gonna finish most of this, and I'll let you know if I feel calm and what.
this better chill me the fuck.
What freaks me out is that I can't speak.
It's already working and you're like,
What freaks me out is that someone under the age of 18 shouldn't drink this. Would it hit them really hard? Okay, be back in 30, let you know if I feel euphoric. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Do you feel anything, Em?
Tired.
It worked.
No. I don't feel like different at all. I'm just like sleepy.
Yeah.
I do feel calmer.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it could be
I feel like mellow.
it could be like a placebo effect going on.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, is it just like with my head?
Yeah, I don't know. I definitely do feel just like a little more like, yeah, like okay. Yeah, like just like kind of like relaxed. I wasn't like really on edge though before. I can't really tell. But
I don't know either.
I kind of got used to the taste. Amber didn't really like it that much. I actually ended up really liking it, but I do like kombucha. You don't like kombucha, huh? Okay, that makes sense. I do like kombucha, so I feel like it's an acquired taste, and I actually really did like it.
It's definitely an acquired taste.
But
it's like interesting. It's not bad, but it's not good.
It just tastes like a strong tea. Like that's really like a fizzy, strong tea.
Like tea, like fresh tea that's made with like flowers and roots.
Yeah, they just grabbed some dirt from the backyard and threw it in like a soda.
It doesn't taste like dirt.
No, it doesn't taste like dirt. But yeah, like it's just like really fresh. That was our review. 1 out of 10. What do you give it? We have to try the other one in the morning. I don't want to try this
That's
one.
like taste wise.
I don't know overall. Oh, sorry. Excuse me.
5?
5 out of 10?
I'll give it halfway.
Okay. I feel like I don't even know.
I don't know, a 4 or 5.
I'll give it, because I actually do like the taste of it, I'll give it like a 7 or an 8. I actually like it. Look, I finished it. Oh, and then Mr. Hubby says goodnight. Hey, T.P. boy. Say goodnight, Papas. Say goodnight. This is a crazy angle.
Get away from my pores.